Then the next chakra, that is the Manipur chakra. So Manipur chakra, that is also called the solar plexus, and the location of the chakra, that is in the Nabhi Mul. Then the main karya of this chakra, that is the Annapachan, Shoshan, Rasotpadan, Mala Visarjan, Mutra Nirmiti, Prajotpadan, Shvasochvas, and the Rakta Visaran. Then the dala of this chakra, that is the Dasha dala, and the varnakshar of this chakra, this one, that is the da dha na ya tha da dha na pa fa. Then the devata of this chakra, that is the Vishnu, and the day of this chakra, that is the Thursday. The adhishthatri is Lakini, and the siddha of this chakra, that is the Rudra. The color of this chakra, that is the blue color, and the Gyanendriya of this chakra, that is the Chakshu, and the Karmendriya of this chakra, that is the Charan. Tattva of this chakra, that is the Agni Tattva, and Guna, it is the Roop Guna. Then the main function of this chakra, that is the Sanchalan of the Samana Pran Vayu. So that is the Manipur chakra, or that is also called the colic plexus. Then the next chakra, that is the Anahat chakra. So here you can see that is the green color chakra, that is the Anahat. So this chakra, that is also called the cardiac plexus. Location of this chakra, that is in the Hruday. So that is also called the Rut Kamal. Then the function of this chakra, that is the Shwasan and the Raktabhisaran, and the Vayu present into this chakra, that is the Vyan Vayu, and in this chakra, that is the Sthana of Mana. Then the Varna of this chakra, that is it have the Bara Dala, that is the 12 petals of the lotus, and the Varnakshar, that is the 12 are the Ka, Kha, Ga, Da, Da, Cha, 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 Jha, Ja, Ta, Tha. Then the Devata of this chakra, that is the Mahesh, and the day of this chakra, that is the Friday. Varna means color of this chakra, that is the Arun Varna, means Shweta Varna, and the Devi or the Adhishthatri, that is the Kakini Devi. Then the Siddha of this chakra, that is the Pinaki Nama Siddha, and the Jnanendriya of this chakra, that is the Tvacha, and the Karmendriya, that is the Hast. Tattva of this chakra, that is the Vayu, and the Guna of this chakra, that is the Sparsha. So this is the cardiac plexus or the Anahat chakra. Then the next chakra, that is the Vishuddha chakra. So here you can see. So Vishuddha chakra, that is also called the cervical plexus, or that is the throat plexus. The location of this chakra, that is the Kantha Pradesh, and it have the Shodas Dala. Then the Sthana of this chakra, that is the Udan Vayu location, and the Karyakshetra of this chakra, that is the blood vessels in the Griva, Shwasnalika, Anna Pranali, Mukha, Jivva, Talu, Netra, Danta, Autuka, Granthi, Grasanika, Hruday, and the Phupus. So the dal are 16, means that is the 16 petals of the lotus that should be present, and the varnakshar of this chakra, that is A, I, U, Ru, Lu, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Then the color of this chakra, that is the Dhumra Varna, and the Devi of this chakra, that is the Shakini Devi Adhishtatri, and the Siddha, that is the Dhangaland Siddha. Then the Gyanendriya of this chakra, that is the Karna, and Karmendriya, that is the Vak. Then Tattva of this chakra, that is the Akash Tattva, and you know guna of this akash, that is the formation of shabd. So if that this chakra should be controlled, so that the yogi got the param shanti and the paramanand, and he got the knowledge of the jnana. So that is the vishuddha chakra or the cervical plexus. Then the last chakra, that is the ajna chakra. So here, so that chakra, that is also called the cavernous plexus, and that should be located into that the thalamus. So the location of the chakra, that is between, that is the two bhru madhya, means between the two eyebrows, and posterior to that the glabella, where that is the pituitary gland should be present. Then the color of this chakra, that is the shwet varna, and it should be control all the sensory and the motor impulses, means that may be related also the hypothalamus. So if the chakra should be control, so it should be control all the chakra of the body. Then the dala of this chakra, that is the two dala, means that is the two petals of lotus, and the adhyakshar of this chakra, that is the ha and the sha. Devata of this chakra, that is the atma, and the day of this chakra, that is the Sunday. Then the adhishtatri devi of this chakra, that is the hakini, and the siddha of this chakra, that is the mahakal. Then the gnanendriya of this chakra, that is the karna, and the karmendriya of this chakra, that is the vak. Then it is the sandhisthana of the ida, pingla, and the saraswati nadi. So this chakra, that is very much important, and if the gradually that is the kundalini shakti is reaches to that the agya chakra, that is the yogi got the paramananda and the param gyan, and he should be free from the birth, that means he got the moksha. So that is the agya chakra. So next to it, that is the last chakra, that is the sahasradhar chakra, pink color. So as the name suggests, sahasradhar means they have the 1000 petals of lotus, and it should be located into that the upper part of the shira. So that is called the sahasradhar chakra. According to modern, it is located into that the anterior frontanel of the cerebra. Color of this chakra, that is the shweta varna, and it should be seen like the chandra, means like the chandra, whitish color structure of the chakra that should be present, and it is related with the talu mul, means that is located upper part of the talu mul above to the brahma randhra, means the foramen magnum. So here, that is the nadi is present, that is called the chitra nadi, and in this nadi, that is the kundalini shakti that should be located. And if the person should be controlled that the chitra nadi, so the yogic gods the brahma jnans, means that is the irrespective knowledge of the to that the person. So here, that is the energy is present, that is called the thousandth sun energy, that should be located into this region. And here, that is the Shiva and Shakti, milana of Shiva and Shakti. And here, if that the chakra that should be controlled, so that the yogi got the samadhi and the moksha. So that is the location of the chakra, that is most of the part of the shir or the mastak, and it is called the Satyalok location. It consists of the adhyakshar, that is from a to ksha, means that is near about the 50 adhyakshar that should be present into this chakra. Then the tattva of this chakra, that is the bija tattva, and vahana of this tattva, that is the bindu. Devata of this chakra, that is the Parap Brahma, and the Shakti or the Adhishtatri present into this chakra, that is the Mahashakti. So this chakra, it should be Purna Chandra chakra, that the chakra that is also called the Purna Chandra, and if the yogi should control that the chakra, so it got the Amaratva and the Mukti. So that is the topmost and the important chakra, that is called the Sahasradhar chakra. So all these chakra, if control, so the yogi can also control, that is the physical diseases, and with the control of the physical diseases, it should be help to keep the dhatu samyata, and that is the physical importance of these all chakra. With this, that is the yogi that should got the irrespective knowledge, and because of he got the Amaratva and got the Mukti from the birth of the different yonis. So that is the importance related with that the chakra. According to modern, whenever we should correlate it's with the modern anatomy, so that is the 3 nadi, means the Sushumna nadi, that is we can call the spinal cord, and the Ida and Pingla nadi, that is called the ganglionic chain present into the right and the left side of that the spinal cord. Then the chakra which is present into that the Sushumna nadi, that is the different plexuses, they should be present into that the spinal cord. So these plexuses are nothing but that is the different chakras according to yogi, and anatomically or according to that the physical body, that chakra, if it should be controlled by the exercise and the yoga, so it should be normalize the function of that the different visceral organ, because you know that is all the autonomic nervous system, means that is control the visceral organs in the thoracic, abdominal and the pelvic cavity. So that should be controlled by the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nerve, and the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nerve, that should be comes out from that is the ganglionic chain which is present on the right and the left side, and that is the ganglions which is present into that the spinal cord. So all this structure that should be important to cure and control the normalized functions of the visceral organ. So nowadays that is the importance of these chakras or the plexuses.